Welcome back guys to another HTML tutorial TechWiki channel. In this tutorial we're gonna talk about comment, what are BR tags and HR tag. As you can see, this is a comment. You can use comment like this dash dash, and you can see you will write everything you should know about a part of your website like this. This is a place for headings, and you can write here h1 heading, and if I save it, you can see here just it shows heading with h1 tag. That's it. And now this is a comment in HTML. As you can see, we use this less than exclamation mark dash dash this and dash dash again greater than. This is just a comment, and in every language you will see some sort of comment like this that you can put extra saying like what was your in mind, or for another person that want to edit this code, or for your co-worker you can put some comment and he can do that or she can do that, and that's it. That's comment. And I'm gonna use some paragraph here, p, and some lorem, and again another paragraph here, lorem, and the third one lorem. That's it. If I save it, you can see there are 3 paragraphs here, and there is nothing in between them, and we are using BR or HR tags here. BR used for brick, and just we use it like this, BR. That's it. And see, if I say what's the tag doing, just put a break or a space between headings and the paragraphs, and we can use here BR. Just that's it, BR. And if I save, you can see. And now it's about HR in a horizontal line, and you can use it like this, HR. That's it. This is a horizontal line in HTML code, HR. You draw a line from left to right, and there is no difference for line because it goes all the way from left to right or right to left. And you can use here like this, HR, and after each break you can use HR for this particular practice. Control S, and you can see this is after BR. If you wanna see what is the BR, you can use another HR up of BR, and you can see the space between HR or horizontal line. And if I just delete this BR here, you can see the difference more clear. And as you can see, if I use another HR here, you can see with BR and without BR. And that's it guys. This is another tutorial. That if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe, because if you subscribe and like button, it will help other people to see this channel. And that's it guys. Have a good time.